Welcome to the Know Your Dough Money unit. In this unit, students will learn to identify coins, add them, and skip count. We'll even learn about needs and wants. This unit addresses 3 unique learning goals. 1, students will be able to understand and distinguish the difference between coins, so recognizing and identifying coins by name, the value, being able to organize and categorize them, skip counting by 5s and 10s. 2nd, students will be able to compute simple addition of coins, comparing and determining which is more, assessing items and determining if they have enough money to quote-unquote buy, and totaling a group of coins. 3rd, students will be able to understand personal finances and differentiate between wants and needs. So they'll be able to analyze items and classify them as wants or needs. They'll be able to recognize reasons that being responsible with money is important, and also developing an argument to prove their point. Multiple intelligences. This unit plan is strategically designed to address all of the intelligences in some shape or form, whether it be the direct activities or the technologies used to complete the activities. This unit plan addresses several of the Common Core standards as you see detailed here. This unit plan also addresses several EDTC standards, also detailed here. This unit will take place over the course of 18 days. It will lay out a foundation that the students will build upon until they reach the final product. Kinesthetic. Students will watch the Get Your Money Right video on the Go Noodle YouTube channel. This video is fun, it's interactive, it's sing-along, it allows students to get up and have fun, all while learning about coins and coin value. Verbal. Students will listen to a recording of the coin poem in YouTube, and while listening, students will recite the poems in unison, while this auditory aid will help remind them of coin characteristics and the values. Musical. This is a continuation of our verbal activity. Students will utilize an online template to construct a haiku poem, and then they'll read it back in the Songify app, which then creates a song from their poem. Naturalist. Students will play a game called Grab and Graph. Each student grabs a pile of coins and separates them by hand to classify each coin type. They'll take that information and use the Numbers app on their one-to-one iPads to graph it. Visual. Students will use computers to access the Compare Money Amounts game. This game presents them with 2 sets of coins, and they must assess and compare the 2 values in order to draw conclusions as to which set is worth more. Interpersonal. Working individually, each student will be given a worksheet that shows the alphabet and a corresponding coin value. Students will then be given a word that they need to add with the values and display on their Sketch.io app what their final answer is. Interpersonal. As a class, students will view the Counting Coins interactive video. Students will learn how to identify patterns between coins and values in order to skip count. Next, working in pairs, a coin will be placed between them. Going back and forth, students will need to take turns skip counting. Logical. Students will need to create and design a detailed plan for how they're going to save money to purchase a wish list item. They'll present a slideshow using details of their plan in either PowerPoint or Google presentation. There will be 3 final products for this unit. 1, a student-generated formative assessment, including 10 questions and an answer key generated by the student, completion of a teacher-generated summative assessment, and 3, a final presentation showing their plan to purchase their wish list item. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about my unit plan on money. I hope it has inspired you and helped you to create some new ideas for your own classroom.